I'm so freaking excited to give you some more information about this Ultimate Portion Fix program that we launched this month. Here's the deal. If you've been a member of this community for longer than 5 minutes, you know that nutrition is the key to your results. You can work out all day long, but if you're not honing in on your nutrition, you're not going to get those results. You're going to get discouraged, and you're about 80% more likely to quit and leave us missing your beautiful self. Don't do this, sis. Or you. But here's the thing. Most people hear that phrase, you can't out-train a bad diet, and they think they love food too much to ever be successful and get those results because they love food so much. Well, that's where I used to be. I kid you not. I was a yo-yo dieter. I tried all those pills. Addicted to sugar. I'm a pastry chef here. Duh. So I'd limit my calories, aka starving all the time, all week long, and then go crazy on the weekends because I was literally starving. Then would come the binging. Oh. And then I drink way too much alcohol because I was so defeated. And guess what? I was crazy depressed too. Because you are what you eat. And I was not treating my body like the temple that it is. I was not eating nearly enough of the good stuff. And here's the problem with that. If you're constantly starving, your body is going to store everything you eat as fat. Hello, bloating, inflammation. But you know what? Most of those high-calorie foods that we all love, you know, the ones that you think are the only things standing between you and your results. Mexican food, tacos, cheeseburger, even French fries, and chocolate cake. Those foods can be made in a cleaner way that you can enjoy guilt-free and not even be cheating on your nutrition plan. There's a truth to the calorie in versus calorie out portion of weight loss. But the problem is that that's where most people stop. They calculate their calorie bracket and they just use MyFitnessPal to track that sugary yogurt or that slice of pizza, and before they know it, all their calories are used up. And they feel like they can't eat anything else all day or they won't hit that calorie bracket. That's no way to live, my friends. I don't want you to go hungry. I don't want you to feel like you can't enjoy food you love. I want you to live a free life and enjoy every bite that you put into your mouth, guilt-free. Yeah. Enter Ultimate Portion Fix. This is a game changer. What's Ultimate Portion Fix? Ultimate Portion Fix is the expansion of one of the most successful weight loss programs in our community, the Portion Fix. This is a 30-day video-based program from awesome Autumn Calabrese that will teach you how to use color-coded portion control containers to take the guesswork out of eating delicious, perfectly sized meals every time. No more tracking your calories obsessively. No more food guilt. This program is all about freedom from negative food mindsets and will help you get to the bottom of those triggers so you can finally enjoy the foods you want and still get those rockin' abs you've been waiting for. Ultimate Portion Fix isn't a diet. You can still eat the foods you love, including snacks, desserts, without feeling guilty at all afterwards. Those of us who have struggled with eating disorders know that's a biggie. It includes over 300 recipes, comprehensive food lists, and that is really cool about these is that you can incorporate it in ways that the whole family can get involved in making healthier decisions. What makes this unique and better than the original Portion Fix? Autumn has applied 5 years of proven success to give you more tools, strategy tips, and hacks that can make it simpler than ever to lose weight. With over 30 new videos and tools like a workbook, a daily log book, you'll learn the strategies to help you overcome your sugary addiction, fuel your body for performance, and incorporate your whole family, even the kiddos, into the program. Plus, you get a new Fixate Volume 2 cookbook with 102 new recipes and 75 healthy lunch ideas for the kids in a PDF form. Okay, this is what's super cool. Who's done 21-Day Fix or 21-Day Fix Extreme? If you're like me, by week 3, you were crazy bored and ready to move on to a new program. This is the cool part, guys. Autumn is remaking and refilming these 2 programs. As a free bonus, when you buy the Ultimate Portion Fix, you also get permanent access to 21-Day Fix and 21-Day Fix Extreme workouts, shot in real time, with the emphasis on faster progress. This means starting April 1st, you can do these workouts with thousands of other people, shot live, just like 80-Day Obsession, Transform 20, Lift 4, except those launches were only for coaches. How cool. Now you can get involved with this as a customer as well. And there's power in these kinds of accountability. It's like magic when you're working these programs alongside with that many other people. Additionally, Teen Beachbody coaches have the opportunity to get certified in this program and join the Master Series to take their nutritional knowledge to the next level and offer their customers the best possible support. Customers get a deeper dive into this program, learn business and relationship building insights from Autumn, and get access to additional social media marketing tools. Getting certified will instill the confidence and attract more customers to run challenge groups and to help your customers get the better lasting results. These are all covered in the Portion Fix Certification Program Guide. Here's what's included. A 30-day step-by-step video showing you how to use the containers, how to plan, prep, and make healthy meals, and get to the core of your eating decisions. The workbook will help you get the most out of your videos so you can truly commit to your 30-day journey learning the program. The daily log, a 30-day guide where you track what you eat, how you feel, and what's going on with your body. That's how I figured out I had a soy sensitivity. Amazing what you can learn about your body. 7 color-coded portion control containers. The Fixate Volume 2 cookbook with 102 new recipes to work with your containers. Game changer right there. 75 healthy lunch ideas for your kids. Huge for my kiddo. The Beachbody app. Free bonus lifetime access to the new recordings, a 20-Day Fix and 20-Day Fix Extreme. So listen, Ultimate Portion Fix is premium content that's not included as part of your Beachbody On Demand membership. That means you have to purchase the program to get access to it. So let's talk about your needs. I included a link in this PDF in this form description, and I'll tag it again in the comments. Take a look at the different options and let me know which one is a good fit for you, and we'll talk and get you the best pricing options. If you're ready, if you're already using Shakeology or Performance regularly, your Performance line regularly, the best option and the best bang for your buck is for you to cancel your existing order and purchase a challenge pack. Whether you're a coach or a customer, or whether you want to get certified or not, the challenge packs are $20 off right now. If you want to get in on the 25% discount in the future on any future sorry, my cat is like distracting me. Future purchases, your best bet is to cancel your existing subscription and sign up as a discount or business coach with your challenge pack purchase. So, what are you waiting for? Let's chat.